Hey parents, welcome back. Thank you for joining us again this week. This week I want to introduce you to a wonderful online resource that we use here at school called Pebble Go, or for upper grades what we use is Pebble Go Next. So Pebble Go Next is basically an online curriculum hub. It houses tons of articles, reading activities, and literacy supports for your child. So the way that this works is your child can simply log into their district Chromebook. They can go to the Royal Launchpad like what you see here, and they can navigate to the Pebble Go Next application. Now once they log in, they'll go to a screen like this. Here they can search any topic that they'd like, or they can choose from the topics that are already pre-populating. If your child wants to learn about animals, they could simply click within that category, decide what type of animal they'd like to learn about, and then choose that animal. As you can see, once they're here, it's basically like an online search. They're going to get information that is separated here at the top into wonderful headings to help organize the information. They have an option to have the information read to them, which allows them to be more independent with the website, which is wonderful. And it even gives them an additional tab of more resources to learn even more about the topic that they've searched. So as I said, your child can access this right through the Royal Launchpad in their district device. And I encourage you to go on and check it out with them and get reading.